Next up on our list is Avada Trust Badges, an upsell app. This is an upsell and cross-selling app, which will help you increase the average order value of your customers. You can create one-click upsells, post-purchase upsells, and discounted upsells on your checkout and thank you page. This app has over 5,000 reviews and a pure 5-star rating, which ensures its effectiveness, reliability, and worthiness. The best part is, this app offers a free plan, and then you can upgrade as per your requirements. This app is popular for its variety of features, such as trust badges, countdown timers, and sales pop-ups, which reportedly enhance sales and conversions. Its easy-to-use interface, customization options, and smooth performance are also a great help for beginners. I highly recommend this app to everyone. You can access this app using the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.